Domains and kingdoms. Domains. In a phylogenetic tree of all life on Earth, the first branches represent the three domains of the modern classification system. The three domains are domain Bacteria, domain Archaea, and domain Eukaryote. Luca gave rise to all three domains. Genetic analysis has enabled the creation of many hypotheses regarding the identity of Luca. Most scientists agree that Luca was a community of organisms that lived at high temperature and pressure near hydrothermal vents. They metabolized methane and hydrogen gas in the absence of oxygen, like some modern Archaeans. The current cladogram shows Luca as a root, shown in black, that gave rise to two branches of life, Bacteria and Archaea Eukaryote. Domain Bacteria. Domain Bacteria consists of prokaryotes and includes the bacteria most people are familiar with, including both the beneficial bacteria used to make yogurt, as well as the disease-causing organisms such as E. coli O157H7. Domain Bacteria only has one kingdom, Eubacteria. Species in this kingdom are assigned to more discrete taxa based on their cell structures, methods of cellular metabolism, and other factors. In this picture, this is a petri dish of bacteria growing on it, and the way it's cultured is they take a swab of bacteria and they streak it once across the plate, then they take a sterile swab and they streak it again this way, collecting just some of that bacteria from the original streak, and they do it again, and they do it again, and they keep on doing it until they have less and less bacteria, and then you kind of get these individual colonies growing. Domain Archaea. Domain Archaea also contains only prokaryotes. These prokaryotes share characteristics with both bacteria and eukaryotes. They differ from bacteria in their rRNA gene sequence and in their plasma membrane sequence. Domain Archaea includes organisms that can live in places considered too volatile for other organisms, such as very hot or salty environments. They also live in freshwater, soil, and in people. Domain Eukaryote. Domain Eukaryote is made up of eukaryotes. They can be unicellular or multicellular. The cells all have a membrane-bound nucleus and various organelles. This domain is broken into four kingdoms: Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Major differences between domains. Both bacteria and archaea are always unicellular. Most species of eukarya are multicellular, like plants and animals, but there are some unicellular species, like baker's yeast is a unicellular fungus. Bacteria and eukarya have phospholipids in their membranes, but archaea do not. Bacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell walls. Archaea do not have this. That's a major difference between bacteria and archaea. And there are some species of eukarya that have cell walls, plants and fungus mainly. And bacteria and archaea do not have a nuclear envelope because they do not have a nucleus. Eukaryotes do, and eukaryotes also have membrane-bound organelles, which bacteria and archaea do not.